Hi guys, today I am going to make a 12-volt voltage regulator. Let's go this video. This one is LM317 regulator IC. 0.1 nanofarad capacitor, 10 microfarad capacitor, 220 ohm resistor, and this one is 5K variable resistor. 0.1 nanofarad capacitor is connected to the third pin of the LM317 IC. The positive end of a 10 microfarad capacitor is connected to the second pin of IC. Negative terminal of 10 microfarad capacitor is connected to the other terminal of the 0.1 nanofarad capacitor. 120 ohm resistor is connected to the first and second pins of the IC. In this way, 5K variable resistor is connected to the first pin of the IC and the terminal of a 10 microfarad capacitor. The 12 volt input is given as pin 3 of IC and here as terminal. We can output the current as the third pin of IC and here. The circuit description is completed. Let's go for test this circuit. So friends, if you think my video is good, please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.